Welcome. In today's video, we learn about Python variables. Create new file, click on New, select Python 3, rename this file, click on Untitled, give name Python variables. Click on Rename. Give title Python variables. Click on Markdown. Press Shift Enter. We learn about first what is meant by variable. So variable is a container for storing data values. This is simple definition of variable. Variable is a container for storing data values. Next we learn about how to create variables. The first one is Python has no command for declaring a variable like C, C++. And second one, a variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Check one example. First take value x is a variable. In this x we are storing value that is of 10. This is integer value. Now to observe this output you can write print x. So the output should be 10. That is integer value. Take next variable y. We store float value. Print that value, right? Print y, enter. So y is another variable. We have to store 20.34 and we have to print y. The output should be 20.34. This is float. Take one more. W is equal to 1 plus 3j, complex value. Print this value, write print w. Now press shift enter and you can observe in variable w value stored is complex. Take one string p is equal to Python. This is string. To print string we can use print p variable. Run it and check it. Python is displayed over here. So how to create variable? Whenever you want to assign any value, you can simply write variable is equal to that value. Not necessary to use separate command to declare variable. One more point we'll study. Variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. For example, we'll take variable a and another variable is small a. Both are different. We'll take one more variable student and student. Both variables are different. Let's check with code. For example, capital A is equal to 10 and small a is equal to 20. If you want to print value available in capital A, that should be 10. If you want to print value available in small a, that should be 20. Similarly, check with student. Student is equal to, we can take any name, Neeta. And second, student is equal to Nilima. Okay, both variables are different. So print first variable student. This should be Neeta. And print another variable capital S. This should be Nilima. So here we can see variables are case sensitive. We can use same character A whenever it is in capital A different, small a different, capital student different, and small student different. So in this video we learn about definition of variable. Second one is how to create variables. So not necessary to go for any command to declare variable. And the second one is whenever you want to define variable, you can define as it is whenever you require that variable. These examples shows that we can use variables for integer, float, complex, and pipe and string. Also additional thing we learn, variables are case sensitive. Okay, thank you.